Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to predict the cake USDT price, the cake PancakeSwap pair of the Binance. So I have drawn some resistance here, so I'm gonna just turn it off for you and I'm gonna tell you guys. So here we're gonna not gonna talk about the past price, we're gonna talk about the recent price action. What is the current price action, what is the current price prediction, where this is leading to, how large or how far can it go, the pancake swap price. So here is the thing, just draw, I have drawn this resistance here. You can see, if we look at the resistance level here, just let me show you this is the main region, this is the main support. You can see how many wicks downside, you see how many wicks on the downside here. So this is a strong support zone, but it has become weaker. But a lot of rejection from this area means a lot of people wants to buy, a lot of people wants to accumulate at this zone, and they did, you see, from 22.2. so this was a perfect zone, and this is also a perfect zone now. But for now, what happened, that price went up. Let me color it. So once it broke through this level, it went up, tested this zone, rejected, stayed here for accumulation, then again tested this zone, rejected again came here, rejected, and then went up with a strong volume. Let me turn on the volume, and you can see here from this point, see from this point, you see the volume is going strong from here. You see the good strong volume. But now the volume also, these two candles, if I just turn it off everything, if you look at the volume here, let me show you here, the volume here was low but the price was moving high. But the third candle, it has crossed this zone and it is now up. It means that the upward volume is supporting, the upward move is supporting, so it is supported by the good volume. And now if we look at this zone, you see here, from here to here, this zone, you see this was a low volume, although a lot of red candles in this area. It means with low volume, low volume was not supported with the downward trend. So if we could have a large bars here like this one, the price could have gone down, okay, but it was not the case, it didn't happen. So what now, let me show you what now. If we go to the, let me turn it off for you now. If I draw the Fibonacci level from the lowest of this chart, if we go to the here, lowest of this chart, and draw here, this is the one level. See here, this is, I have drawn to the one which was previous swing high or previous high at this level. See, one level, this was the low here and this was the high. So suppose it that we had, let's say, if I turn it off from here, you see here, now you understand why I draw like this. Now you understand why I draw like this. This was the lowest zone Fibonacci level, and this is the maximum, which was not, which was the all-time high and all-time low. Okay, I draw this level like this, Fibonacci level like this. Now what happened, just take a look at it. Next candle, see, next candle, let me zoom in a bit so that you can have an idea here. If we can zoom in a bit, let me go to here. Okay, price tested this level. Okay, again twice rejections from this area, thrice rejection, again the price went up, and the price went down to test this zone. You see, this zone was tested, this one, this was never tested. So it was a good healthy retraction, good healthy retracement from 18 to 19.5. Now next up, let me, yeah, it went up, tested this zone. Okay, then again you see, perfect, you see how 0.786 here, you can see 0.786 zone, you see here, this was tested, you see, a perfect Fibonacci. And this pancake swap is following the Fibonacci levels perfectly. You see the levels here perfectly. So why, so what happened after that, you see, it went up to test this zone, which was the previous swing high and previous resistance at here. Okay, so I'm gonna test the next candle. You see it was rejected again, went down to test this 0.76 zone, which is 786 zone, which was a Fibonacci level. Again went down to test this support, this zone as well, 0.618, then again rejected, then moved up, broke through. This resistance was broken. You see this candle was closed up here. Now I'm expecting the next candle to be maybe starting here, from here. So let's take a look. You see, wow, what a perfect retracement from here. You see how perfectly it bounced back to retest, confirming the uptrend. And it also broke through this zone 1 all-time high. And you see here the new candle was formed above this zone. Now I'm expecting this one to be from here. So let's take a look. Wow, I'm not joking, guys. Let's take this. Just take a look at it. It tested this zone, making it a strong zone again, boys. You see here, if we go to the here, this was the all-time high. Now, this was the new swing high. So I'm gonna draw here. Let me draw this one to be here, and let's take a look. Now the new candle, well, there was no zone here, so I can't predict anything. We need to look forward. You see here the price went up. We can look this zone to be at the 4-hour chart. We can there must be a zone here. So it went up, and you see 1.272 is on the charts. You see how perfectly it respected this level and stayed at this level. See, next it stayed at this level. Okay, now because the candle was, let me show you the reason. Because the candle was not closed above here, the price went down. Okay, it tested this level and was rejected from this level, making it a strong support, and then after a strong volume upward it went up. Now the candle has closed above this level. Okay, above this level, above this 1.2 level. Now what I am expecting that the next candle should have to open from here and should touch this level. So let's take a look. You see here, oh, that's it. You see here, just take a look at here. The price went, the candle opened from here, and it's straight breaking through this Fibonacci level here, 1.41, and right on the tip you see 1.16 here, and right here absolutely perfectly it tested this level. So this is very interesting, guys, very interesting. The Fibonacci levels are the key. They are key to predict the price. So that's how. So what I am expecting now, if this candle closes above, okay, if the candle closes above today, the price is going to be again a bullish move again. But if it stayed below, then I'm expecting a retracement back to here, or we have to look for the 4-hour chart somewhere there. So if I go to the 4-hour chart, let me just retest this. Okay, you see here the candle is not closed. We need this candle to close above this level, and once it closes above this level, the price is going to be high. Otherwise it is going to retest at this zone. This is the previous swing high. What I'm expecting here, this zone to be, let me draw this zone. Yeah, this zone would be retested. But I am thinking if this candle doesn't close above, or today's candle doesn't close above, then we can have a retracement to this level, or might be if there is a strong volume. You see a lot of accumulation at this zone. So what I am expecting, a good downfall. It's weekend as well, so might be a retest from here, like what I say, 36 35, 36 35. This could be also in the chart, because this level has not been tested, because it has been broken but has not been tested. So what I am expecting, that if there is a good upward volume and not a lot of downward volume, then we can see a good retracement from here. And if the volume is large, the downward volume is large, then we can have a strong rejection or a strong retest at this zone, 35 zone. So you have to look for the volume. Just keep an eye on the volume. Also, you can see here the momentum here was big. The momentum here started to reduce. Now that started to reduce, and now the candle has shrinked a bit. So it means at this point, the momentum has lost a bit, and we might expect a retracement here and then a leg up. Okay, it all depends on the volume. So that's it, guys. That was the uh, price prediction, and the next would be a 52. That would be a big move ahead. If it crosses this level and with strong volume, we would be up for 52. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you very much.